How to check mobile number owner's name. Now this process is very straightforward and very easy to follow. Now we will be downloading a third-party application. Just head out to your Google Play Store or any available app store that you have on your device. And what you want to type in the search box is just simply type in Truecaller and then just choose on Truecaller, caller ID and block. So make sure that this is going to be the application that you'll be downloading and installing. Once you've successfully installed the application, just go ahead and run the application. Now just simply follow on-screen prompts for you to be able to verify your current phone number that you have attached on your phone. Now to use this application is very simple. All you have to do from here is this is going to be your home dashboard. So at the top portion of your screen, you should see search numbers, names, and more. All I have to do is just to use this field right here, locate any specific number you would like to check out that owner's name. And that's it. That's how you check mobile number owner's name.